Ensik Munyandi is a resident individual taxpayer in Malaysia who works as a freelance software consultant. He submitted his Form B for the YA 2024 on time. In his tax return, he claimed a deduction of R40,000 for business traveling and entertainment expenses. On the 15th of December 2025, the IRBM raised a Notice of Additional Assessment, Form JA, for YA 2024 against Ensik Munyandi. The tax auditor disallowed the entire RM40,000 deduction because Ensik Munyandi failed to provide any valid invoices, logbooks, or business receipts to substantiate the claim. Ensik Munyandi strongly disagrees with the IRBM's decision, claiming the officer was too strict. But the law requires proof, so how can Ensik Munyandi fight his tax bill? He need to start a formal challenge. He is entitled to appeal to the SCIT by submitting the Notice of Appeal, Form Q. The submission deadline within 30 days after the serving notice, which start from the 15th of December to the 14th of January 2026. Next, assume Ensik Munyandi misses the official deadline to file his appeal due to being hospitalized. For Section 100, when an appeal is not made within 30 days from the deemed date of assessment or service of notice of assessment, the taxpayer may make a written application using Form N in 2 copies for an extension of time to lodge an appeal. If the DG is satisfied that for any reasonable cause the appellant was prevented from giving notice of appeal, he will then give a written notice, Form CP 15A, for the extension of time, S100, 2A. In practice, the taxpayer would be given such extension if he is not in Malaysia, sick or change of address or other reasonable course. To make matters worse, the audit also revealed that Ensik Munyandi had completely hidden an offshore consultancy fee of RM30,000 that he received in a foreign bank account, falsely believing that the IRBM would never find out about it. For Section 114(1) of the Act provides, any person who willfully and with intent to evade or assist any other person to evade tax, omits from a return made under this Act any income which should be included shall be guilty of an offence and shall, on conviction, be liable to a fine or not less than 1,000 ringgit and not more than 20,000 ringgit, or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years, or to both, and shall pay special penalty of treble the amount of tax which has been undercharged in consequence of the offence, or which would have been undercharged if the offence had not been detected.